Gonna take some notes on this. I do this all the time, but I still don't have it worked out. The recipes in the book, it's like 3 buckets. I use those 32 Nancy's maybe. 3 of these of peat, 2 of perlite, and then like 3 of compost. So maybe 2 of compost and 1 of soil. How big are they? Wow. Oh, there they are, 64 ounces. All right. So, side note, this has to be covered. The dogs get in there and poop. Fuck that. Then you need to have a station. This, again, the dogs can't use this either, especially Mo. But this works. This is a gem. It's a bread box from the bakery. When it closed, I took it. And then this gets pushed. So I soaked them. I put 3 of water of each. That's too much. So when I did the mix, 3 peat, 2 perlite, 3 compost. Then I mixed it all up on the floor with my little paddles. Then I dumped them into 2 different buckets, and it was like 3 3/4 each or something. So 3 is 9. 3, that's interesting. It was only that much. Huh. Wait, so if I do the math, 3 of perlite, 3 of peat, 2 of perlite, and then 3 of, oh, that makes sense, yeah. So it's about 8 of those total, and it went about 4 and 4. That makes sense. Yeah, it was a little over 3 3/4 each, so 4 and 4. Then I put 3 buckets of, 3 Nancy's of water. It's too much water. So some of it drained into here. Then I took the buckets with the hose and I propped them up on the side, like this, over here, and then flipped them and rotated them, and all this water came out, which I'll just use on the potting and whatnot, but it's too much. Then I'm in here, and it dries out a fair amount. So this is fairly dry, but you see, it's crumbly. Even when you mix it together, it crumbles pretty good. So I wet it a little bit with some of that water. I wonder if there's not a way to just measure it right. But what's nice is I have this like already damp. That's what this is. This is the stuff that was just drained, and it's pretty fluffy damp, but it's saturated, which is good. Then it's easy to make these bricks, these little blocks. Yeah, I mean, there's the notes for now.